Monday, I was dreaming about you. Tuesday, I was waiting at the phone. 2 days, wasn't hearing from you. Yeah, what can I say? Oh baby, I was getting bored. Thursday, I was losing interest. Friday, you were up there in the cold. Weekend, you already missed it. I was moving on, cause you were moving too slow. Cause sometimes I'm alone, stare out my window. The moon makes you seem close tonight, but you've been so out of touch, 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 touch. That about you way too much, 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 much. Over, I've been thinking us.